Hey girl, welcome back. I'm Jasmine if you're new here. Today we're getting ready and I'm trying some hot new products from Sephora. I picked up quite a few things at Sephora over the past month and I wanted to try them all with you guys. We definitely found some gems. Also, thank you to MCGRATH for sponsoring this video. Sephora will be having some Cyber Week and Black Friday deals. If you're not yet a beauty insider, also sign up below. Sephora will be having Cyber Week from November 25th through December 2nd, and they're gonna have 30% off deals every day. Sephora will also have 50% off select gifts during their Black Friday sale, which is November 29th through December 1st. So I will have both of those linked down in the description box. Also, everything that I share with you guys today will be linked in the description box down below, so click the link to shop my current obsessions, because most of these products obsessed, like spoiler alert. Anyways, let's get into the video. We're gonna start with this primer from Merit. This is the Great Skin, and I have been doing a really intense skincare routine just because it's a little colder, drier outside. I want to make sure my skin is nice and hydrated, so I did my morning routine already, but we're just gonna do a little primer. This primer is also really like moisturizing. It's kind of like skincare and primer all in one. I did get a new brow pencil from TARTE. It's the Major Brow Defining Pencil, and I swatched this at Sephora. The point was so fine. I'm literally obsessed already. I haven't even tried it. I just love how fine this point is. This one is in the shade, I want to say I got like black brown. Let's see, does it say dark brown? I got dark brown, so we're gonna try it out for the first time. I'm excited. I love a good sharp brow pencil. I'm just gonna brush my hair up like this. I just shaved my brows as well. I plucked and shaved a little bit, so we're gonna use the other side. I need a mirror because I cannot see. Okay, I love the color. Oh, this is nice. Draw little strokes upwards. And then I'm just gonna fill in this section. This color is very natural. It matches my hair color so nicely. Just gonna comb this through. Okay, y'all, so this is my very natural looking brow. I like this pencil. It's very easy to work with, and I really like the color and the points. We're going to use the NARS concealer to just carve my brows out. This is in the shade Medium Dark 3. This shade is light enough to get some definition and some contrast, but it's also not too far from my complexion, so I feel like it looks very natural. It's also natural enough for me to use on the top portion of my brow, which I don't always do, but whenever I do this part, I get the most compliments on my brows. I'm just gonna take the concealer and put that all over my eyelid to act like a sticky base for my eyeshadow. I'm just gonna use the new Patrick Ta eyeshadow. I've been obsessed with these. Oh my gosh, I need to get the other shade. It's been sold out. I want to get it so badly, but I love this one for an everyday makeup look. This is still at the club. In the club, we all fam. I'm gonna use the deeper shade first, and this one does have a mirror, which is nice. So I'm just gonna add this all over my eyelid. This is really pretty for an everyday look. Actually, maybe I'll just use one shade today. Gonna put this all over my eyelid. Do you see how pretty that is? Like, it's so pretty. I love this color. Oh my gosh, it's so easy as well. It's so easy. One thing about being in my 30s, I feel like I want the easiest thing ever. When it comes to eyeshadow, I want it to be really easy and quick, still look good, still look like I tried, which I did, you know. I just don't always have time to do the most. Yeah, definitely get your hands on this. I love this shade. I feel like this shade is underrated. It's so pretty. We're gonna do the Charlotte Tilbury Exaggerate Eyes Volume Mascara. I've been loving this mascara as well, so we're just gonna apply this. I got this during the holiday savings event, and I've been obsessed. A lot of these products I got during the holiday savings event, and then some of them I literally just got a couple days ago, because I love shopping at Sephora. Sephora is my #1 retail therapy spot. We're gonna contour. I'm using the LYS 6. You guys know the drill. I love these. I've been using these for quite a while and obsessed. I'm using the shade Strength first for my outer face, and then I use the shade Courage for my nose. I've actually been missing my Patrick Ta nose brush. I don't know where it disappeared to, so I'm gonna pick up a new one because I love that brush and it's the perfect nose contouring brush. But we're gonna use this for now, just on my nose like that, and just leave these 2 lines. We're gonna do concealer. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way in Butterscotch. Another classic for me. Certain products I try like different things and I just always gravitate towards the other one that I loved originally. So this concealer, oh my gosh, like I think I've tried maybe 20, maybe that's exaggerating, but at least like 10 concealers since first trying this one. And because this is pretty old, I feel like it's been like 5 years maybe. I've tried a ton of concealers ever since trying this one, and I always go back to it. It's just tried and true. It's almost as if you trust certain products to just do what they need to do and get you looking right every time. It's my girl. I'm just gonna blend this out. The way this product blends, ooh, blends like a dream every time. I have so many foundations that I've been enjoying lately. Ooh, I feel like this was a year of just bangers. Last year as well. Like last year, some really nice foundations dropped. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna do the Makeup Forever foundation today. I used it a few days ago and I remembered how amazing it is. So I think we're gonna do that one. It's a really beautiful foundation and I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna do the HD Skin Hydro Glow foundation, and I use the shade 4N62 in this foundation. This is a beautiful foundation. I think this foundation is perfect for the season because it is on the hydrating side. It's not super dewy, which I don't do like really dewy. Once in a while, you know, I'll dabble, but like this Patrick Ta is pretty, I mean, it's radiant, but I wouldn't even call this super dewy. This one, I think it's more on the hydrating side, and it has a really subtle like glow to it, but it's so pretty. This is one of my better shade matches that just melts right into my complexion. Let's just carry some over to my forehead because I used quite a bit. And I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation brush to apply this. Ooh, I got this palette. I cannot wait to try it. You guys can see the subtle glow this foundation gives. I think it's really pretty. I'm gonna just blend in my concealer. For my chin, I like to use my foundation brush so it looks more natural. And then I also do that with my forehead just to keep it more on the natural side. I don't want it to be too bright. My under eye is the only area that I like to kind of stand out. Everywhere else, I like to keep it a little bit more on the natural side. I'm going to use this Makeup by Mario brush to just blend this out. And then I'm going to just blend my nose very lightly. We're going to use the Huda Beauty Easy Bake in Blondie. I love this powder. It's so good. I'm going to blend this in. We're going to add some to my forehead. I like to keep the center of my forehead on the matte side as well as my chin. We're going to do bronzer. I have been loving this NARS bronzer, Laguna number 6. No. Yeah, 6. It's so amazing. And I know a lot of you guys have tried it already and love it as well. So yeah, it's amazing. It's just such a pretty, do you see that? Like, it's so pretty. And I got a new blush today. I'm excited. I got a new blush. Ooh, I'm excited to try it. I like to add some like down here on my nose, just like that. Sometimes I get a little carried away with bronzer, but I love bronzer. It's so good. Bronzer is one of my favorite parts of makeup. It's just it does something for me. For my lower lash line, I'm going to use this Urban Decay eye pencil in the shade Corrupt. It's like a dark brown, really pretty color. It almost matches my eyeshadow, and I just love adding, ooh, so pretty. I just love adding some eyeliner. I've been really into colored eyeliner, specifically browns, bronzes, and greens. I think they just complement brown eyes so beautifully. Like, see the difference? Like, it's just such a simple way to just add a lot of drama. We love. So this is Corrupt by Urban Decay. Really pretty. It has some shimmer. It's a really beautiful shade. And then we're gonna add some of the mascara. For blush, I got a new shade from Haus Labs called French Rosette. It's a new package as well. I'm not sure what's different about the old formula, but I'm excited to try this. Ooh, this is so pretty. Like, do you see that? Like, let's try it. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is too pretty. It looks so natural as well. Honestly, when I first saw this, I didn't think it would work for my complexion, but I just decided to swatch it anyway in the store, and I was like, wait, hello, this looks so good. Too pretty. Can we get a moment for the blush? Because we also picked up a new highlighting palette. This is the Eternal Light palette from Hourglass, and I am so excited for this one. This is what it looks like on the inside. I think it's going to be so pretty. I don't know which shade I want to use today because they all look so good. I don't know, but I think this is going to be perfect for me because I'm somebody who loves highlight, but not too much, you know. Like, I don't need too much highlight, but I always want a little something. I think something like this is going to be perfect for me. So let's use this shade right here. Oh my gosh, this is exactly what I want. It's so subtle, but it's there. Like, it's the most pretty, subtle highlight. Let's add some to my nose. Ooh. Alright, let's just push this powder in real quick. This highlight is so pretty. I think it looks so natural. It's just... And I used a lot. I definitely used a heavy hand with it to see what it would look like, and I'm obsessed. We're gonna use the Makeup Forever lip liner. I'm using Dimensional Dark Brown today. It's a darker brown color. If you are around my complexion, this is a really beautiful shade for a red lipstick or like a dark burgundy. We're gonna spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Extra Glow. We're gonna use this Tower 28 powder in the shade Banana, and I'm just gonna apply this. Is it Banana? Bubble Banana, actually. And I'm gonna apply this under my eye to just make that area pop. I picked up the In Beauty Project Glaze for Days lip set. I've been really into one of their lip oils that I own. I forget the shade that it is. I think it's like a mystery color. I've been really loving it, so I wanted to get this little set because it's limited edition. It comes with 4 shades. But I also got this lip peptide from Ole Henriksen. It is a collab with N & Bang. This one's also limited, I believe, and I love their lip peptides. I have 2 shades, obsessed. So I don't know which one I want to use today. Like, do we want to do this or this? Do we do both? I mean, we can do both. Why not? Who makes the rules? I do. Okay, let's do both. We're gonna use a little bit of this, and I love using these types of products when I'm running errands or just going out because I can reapply a million times and I feel like it never gets like clunky. So, ooh, obsessed. This is a pretty color. Ooh, this smells so good. It smells nostalgic. What is the scent? It smells... Ooh, it smells so good. Okay, let's try adding a little lip oil over top. This is so extra, but yeah. We're gonna add this one just because it's gonna be like more see-through. Oh, this one has like sparkle. Like it's like, this one's a little iridescent. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Wait. Oh. Do you see the shine? Do you see the gloss? These lip oils are amazing. Like they literally are so shiny and juicy and reflective. In a beauty project, lip oils is where it's at. All right, girl, this is my makeup look. We're about to head out, but before we leave the house, I do need to throw on some perfume. I'm gonna do a combo KIEHL'S Yum Pistachio Gelato and KIEHL'S Yum Bougie Marshmallow. I've been obsessed with this one. Ooh, this is the new one. It's so good. It's so, if you're into sweet edible scents, this is the line for you, because this entire Yum line, so good. And then this one is this one's a classic. I mean, it's a classic. This is my little scent combo. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna head out the house, and thank you again to Magic Links for sponsoring today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.